Hello everyone, so exciting to finally be doing another tutorial. It has been a long time and I am so sorry. I have actually been trying with all my might to get a video done today, but if you do hear some gremlin noises in the background, it is my little boy. He does not want to go down for his nap and he just wants to be here with us, so he might even make a feature at one point. So basically guys, I'm just going to be going over our new products that we've just released, which is the Founder and the Eyelight. So yeah, let's get straight into it. I'm going to start with a little bit of skincare base because obviously that's what we've got in our range, it's what I use. So we'll start off with the Liquid Elixir and the Liquid Sunshine. My skin is so bad just with winter at the moment, so I'm actually just going to put both of them together, apply them at the same time because I'm super lazy and have no time to myself. So I've got about 3 drops of the Liquid Elixir, which is heaven. And then the Liquid Sunshine, I'll just use a couple of drops. I don't want it to be too heavy. If you do have like quite a heavy base underneath it, you'll find that your makeup will move a little bit. So you might just need a translucent powder. But yeah, just something to bear in mind, that's all. If you like that dewier look, that's totally fine. Otherwise, just keep it a bit lighter with the oil. The skincare base is down. Skin is feeling lovely and dewy and hydrated. I'm going to start with the Founder. Very exciting. I like to apply this with a brush. You can apply it with your fingers as well. It's up to you. Just give the bottle a little bit of a shake, and I just put about 1 pump if I'm wanting quite light coverage, and then 2 pumps if I'm wanting something a little bit heavier. But today I'm just going to go for something really light, just a really nice effortless day makeup. Also, there will be some other sounds as well too. I have recently moved to a farm, so we have geese and they are super noisy. Very exciting though, absolutely love it, and it's really nice being in the country. Okay, so we just apply the Founder. I always start in the middle and then work my way out as far as coverage goes. I also have like a bit of problematic areas down here, so hormonal breakouts and that sort of thing. So I generally start the makeup like application there because it will end up being thicker in those places, and then just work out to the other areas. So as far as shades goes, I've used shade Light. Now this is a nice one for if you've got sort of light to medium skin. I use it when I've got a light fake tan on. If I've gone really heavy with my fake tan, I'll use medium. And then for my normal day look, I like my normal skin color, I should say, I just use fair. So I use like all the different shades. But again, light would be a good one for everyone, and then you can kind of like customize it a little bit with your Golden Glow and your Pearl Glow, which I sometimes do as well. I just have the luxury of being able to have all the shades, so that's why I do it that way. But you could definitely you know, alter the colors with your Pearl Glow and your Golden Glow, and by doing that you would just add it in, or you could apply it underneath as well too. I haven't used the Golden Glow and the Pearl Glow in this tutorial today because I really just wanted to show you guys exactly just what Founder look like on its own, bare like skincare. That's it. There you have it. That is just 1 pump of Founder. So it's definitely covered some of my imperfections, but it hasn't covered everything. So it's not like a super heavy coverage. I really love it. It gives me a little bit of something without having like that full heavy cakey feel. And it's super breathable and lovely. It's such a beautiful product. So that's the Founder, guys. Just make sure you blend it down on your neck as well too. Getting things thrown at me. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply the Eyelight. Now I like to do this one with my finger. Point of Eyelight is to basically just manipulate the color. So it's not going to be a super heavy feel. It's going to be more about that color manipulation and just a slight bit of coverage. I love that though. That's sort of what I'm about because I don't want that heavy look underneath my eyes. So you can just put the tiniest little bit and it just goes so far. Sometimes if you are wanting to finish it off with a little bit of something, you can just grab what's left over on your makeup brush and just touch over that eye area. And that also just helps blend it as well too. That is it there, guys. You can have a little bit of a look. Super lovely and dewy. Now, You can definitely use a translucent powder over the top of this, or you could just leave it on its own. If you do have more wrinkles and that sort of thing, like this sort of area up here, I find that not having a powder, it definitely sort of softens that area out a little bit. So just keep that in mind if you are prone to kind of getting the crinkles and yeah, that sort of thing with your skin. Maybe opt for not using a translucent powder and just keeping it on its own, because it is beautiful. You don't actually even need it. I would then go in just with my blush. I've just got a cream blush here. My makeup is pretty simple nowadays, guys. There's not a lot going on. But you know, that's all you need really. Just a little bit of color. So just on my cheeks there like that. And then sometimes I will just put a little bit on my eyelids as well. And sides of my nose. Of course, we've got to take care of our brows. So I'll just pop a little bit of my brow. What do they ever call these things? Brow mascara. You know the stuff that stiffens them, keeps them in place. Then just use a little bit of brow pencil in there. Okay, and then a little bit of mascara. Then, of course, we mustn't forget a little bit of lipstick. And I've got the colour Watermelon. Okay, so there you have it, guys. That is the full look using the Founder and the Eyelight. As you can see, it's pretty good coverage. And it's made with all natural, beautiful ingredients that are going to nourish your skin and also hydrate it. So it's a pretty amazing foundation, a bit of a breakthrough for us and the industry, I think, too. A lot of the natural foundations that I've used in the past just haven't really quite cut it, but this is pretty incredible. So I hope that you all really love it and enjoy it. And if you have any questions about it at all, please just get in touch. I'd be happy to answer any of them. But yeah, thanks so much, guys. I will have more tutorials to come. As you can see, it's a little tricky. Just being a new mum, Arthur's only 5 months old, and yeah, just getting back to work has been a little bit challenging, but we're managing. This is the little gremlin that wanted to join in so badly today. This is our beautiful Arthur. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being so patient with me and being MIA pretty much for the past year, really. So it's been absolutely crazy having a baby, and we also sadly lost the beautiful Audrey, my partner's mother, back in December, which was absolutely devastating for our family, as you can imagine. So yeah, thanks so much, guys. I hope that you enjoyed new products, and we will have more tutorials to come, but hopefully this will be a good one to get you started. And yeah, if you have any questions, just reach out. Much love. Bye.